When they has given 1 by 2 fraction, they asked you to convert into percent means, see here, you must write down 1 by 2 as it is and they asked you to convert into percent. So, into 100%, you must multiply with 100%. See here, 2 ones, 2 fives, 10, 2 zeros. 1 into 50 is 50%. Like this, we need to convert into percent. When they has given fraction, they ask you to convert into percent means you must multiply with 100%. Remember, ma, you must multiply with 100%. Okay. Another question related to this, 5%. What is 5% of 100 rupees? 100 rupees. What is 5% of 100 rupees? That means in 100 rupees, what is 5%? Value they are asking. I told you that percent means per 100. That means 5 per by 100 of means into you must write and 100 rupees. That means in 100 rupees how much 5% will be? So I wrote 100. Don't write units mark. While you are calculating you should not write any units. At last you can write. Okay. 2 zeros cancel. So 5 ones 5. So what is 100? In 100 rupees, what is 5%? 5% is equal to 5 rupees. To convert percentage into fractions or percentages into any number, what should we do? We must multiply. We must change this one into, that means 5 by 100%. You must write down by 100. Remember, ma? Percentage. For example, 16% of 100 rupees means what should we do? 5 rupees. To convert percentage into fractions or percentages into any number, what should we do? We must multiply. We must change this one into, that means 5 by 100%. You must write down by 100. Remember, ma? Percentage. For example, 16% of 100 rupees means what should we do? We must write this 16%. That means 16 you must divide with 100. 16 by 100. By percent means per 100. Into 100 rupees. 2 zeros cancel. 16 ones is 16 rupees. In 100 rupees, what is 16%? 16% is nothing but 16 rupees. That means to convert given percentage to any number, you must divide with 100. To convert fraction to percentage, you must multiply with 100%. Remember, these are very important points. If you know these 2 points, we can find out any answer very easily. Next one, how to, when in this chapter, these topics you will get marked. If 2 ratios are equal, see here, for example, A is to B is equal to C is to D. This is one more topic in percentage. When 2 ratios they has given, if 2 ratios are equal, then we can say that those 2 ratios are a proportion. And we can tell that those 2 ratios are a proportion. When 2 ratios are equal, then these 2 ratios are said to be a proportion. If 2 ratios are in proportion, product of extremes. Extremes means last 2 terms are called extremes. Extremes. Product of means. Means middle 2 terms are called means. If 2 ratios are equal, then they will be in proportion. When they are in proportion, then product of extremes is equal to product of means. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. When 2 ratios are equal, then product of extremes is equal to product of means. What are extremes here? First term and last term. A into D is AD is equal to product of means. Means middle 2 terms. B into C is BC. That means when 2 ratios are in proportion, AD will be is equal to BC. What are A and D? A and D are last terms. BC are middle terms. All of you understood? This is one more topic in comparing quantities. Another thing is, see here, now we will manage about selling price. We will learn about selling price and cost price. What is selling price? What is cost price? If we purchase any item, for example, I purchased a pencil for 10 rupees. I purchased a pencil for 10 rupees. That is called cost price. That is called cost price or CP. If you purchase any item, the amount we used for that is called cost price. We used to buy for that. That means, for example, I gave an example now, cost of pencil is equal to 10 rupees. How much I spent on that item? 10 rupees I spent. So what is the cost price here? Cost price is equal to 10 rupees. Cost price is denoted by the letter CP, 10 rupees. Okay, all of you understood? What is selling price? The same pencil I am selling to another person. I will sell the same pencil to another person. Okay, that is called, for example, pencil cost, I bought the pencil for 10 rupees. I will sell that same pencil to my friend to 12 rupees. How much I sold the pencil? For 12 rupees I sold. So, what is selling price here? How much I sold it for is called selling price and it is denoted by the letter SP. SP means selling price. See here, what is the selling price of the pencil? SP is equal to 12 rupees. Okay. Cost price, how much I bought? 10 rupees. For 10 rupees I bought. How much I sold it for? I sold it for 12 rupees. That is called selling price. See here, if you observe, selling price is greater than the cost price. Selling price is greater than the cost price. If selling price is greater than the cost price, then we will call it as then we will get profit. We will get profit. How much profit I am getting? I bought that pencil for 10 rupees. I sold it for 12 rupees. 12 minus 10 is how much? 2. I got 2 rupees profit. If selling price is greater than the cost price, then profit is equal to SP minus CP. All of you understood? If SP is greater than CP, then profit is equal to SP minus CP. Next, the same percentage of profit. I want to change this one into percentage. Percentage of profit is equal to profit by CP into 100. Profit by CP into 100. The same profit I want to convert into percentage. If I want to convert into percentage, percentage of profit is equal to profit by CP. In denominator you must write CP into 100. See here, what is the profit I got? 12 minus 10 is equal to 2 rupees I got. 2 by, what is CP here? 10 into 100. 1010 cancelled. 2 10s 20. 20%. What is the profit here? 2 10s 20%. Why? Because I am changing into profit, percentage of profit now. That's why I must keep percentage symbol. Okay. Now, this is the formula for percentage of profit. Percentage of profit is equal to profit by CP into 100. The same question, if CP is greater than, if CP is greater than SP, that means CP is greater than SP, we will get loss. We will get loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Percentage of loss is equal to loss by CP into 100. Percentage of loss is equal to loss by CP into 100. This is the formula for finding the percentage of loss. If CP is greater than SP, what you will get? You will get loss. If CP is less than SP, we will get profit. Percentage of profit is equal to profit by CP into 100. This is one more topic. Okay. See here children, in this chapter you are having simple interest also. Topic simple interest. How to find out the interest, what is the principal, what is the amount. That also you are having. I will explain the topic in the next class. Just a brief, small explanation I have given. Why? Because we will, to solve this question, you must have an idea. No, that's why I explained you. Okay. Okay. What is the question? Now we will go into the question. Convert the following fractions and decimals into percent. They asked you to convert this one into percent I told you before only, to convert any number into percentage, you must multiply with 100%. To convert any percentage to decimal or the percentage to fraction, you must divide with 100. All of you understood? Here what we are doing, we are converting fraction to percentage. So what should we do? We must multiply with 100%. First one, what is A question? 67 by 50. 67 by 50, I told to multiply with 100%. So, into 100%. Understood? 1 0, 1 0 cancel. 5 ones, 5 twos. What is the number? 67 into 2. 2 sevens, 14. 2 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 134%. This is A. To convert a fraction into percent, what should we do? We must multiply with 100%. Now, what is B question? B question. 0.56. Very easy, ma. I told now only that to convert a fraction into percent or any decimal into percent, you need to multiply with 100%. This one I am multiplying with 100%. 100% is equal to, see here, you know very well that how to multiply the decimal numbers. Say 56 ones, 56. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. See here, point after how many digits are there? 1, 2. That means from 1's place, 2 digits before key point. From 1's place, from here, 1, 2. 2 digits before key point. Here percent is there, no percent. So what is that? 56.00 or 56, both are same. So what is the answer? 56%. Like this we must convert into percentage. What is C question? 33 by 75. 33 by 75. Now what I told you that to convert fraction into percent, what should we do? We must multiply by 100%. So I am writing 33 by 75 into 100%. Okay. Whatever it may be decimal, it may be fraction, whatever it may be, you must multiply with 100%. Okay. Now I am cancelling these two with 25 table. You can cancel with 5 table also, Nana. I am cancelling with 25 table. Within one step you will get answer. 25 threes, 25 fours. 25 fours 100, 25 threes 75. Next 3 ones, 3 11s, 33. Any denominator is there? Not there. So what is the answer? 11 into 4. 11 fours, 44% is the answer. Very easy questions these are. Okay. Next one. D question. 0.8. Now only I told you that to convert a decimal into fraction percent also, we must multiply with 100%. So I am multiplying this one with 100%. 0.8 into 100% is equal to, now 8 ones 8. Write down 8 as it is. 2 zeros write down. Point after how many digits are there? Point after 1 digit is there. That means from 1's place, count 1 digit. 1 digit. Here point will come. 1 digit before point will come. Here percentage is there. We will write percent. 80.0 or 80. Both are same only. 80%. Answer is 80%. Understood? Now E question. 0.96. 0.96. We should convert this decimal into percent. So, what should we do? We must multiply with 100%. 0.96 into 100%. Okay? Now, write down 96 ones 96. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. 2 zeros you must keep. Now it is time for keeping decimal point. Point after 1, 2 digits are there. That means 2 digits before you keep point. 1, 2 point. What is the answer? 96% is the answer. All of you understood? Like this you must find out. What is the next question? F. 1 by 2. No need to panic, children. Why? Because 1 by 2, whatever, whether it is a fraction, whether it is a decimal, whatever it may be, you must follow the same method. Multiply with 100% only. Okay? Now, write down 1 by 2 and multiply with 100%. Understood? Now, 2 ones, 2 fives, 2 zeros. 50 ones, 50%. All of you understood now? Now, G question. What is G? 2 1 by 5. 2 1 by 5. See here, the difference between F question and G question only one thing. This is a proper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. That's all. No other difference is there. Mixed fraction means you must convert into improper fraction. See, how to convert into improper fraction? Multiply these two and add 1. Okay? Multiply these two. 2 fives, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 5. Understood? Now you multiply with 100% as usual. Into 100%. Okay? 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 zeros. Okay? 20 ones, 20 or 2 ones, 2, 2 ones, 2. Sorry. 11 twos, 22, 10%. What is the answer? 220%. All of you understood? Next one is fourth question, H question, 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Write down 4 by 9 as it is and multiply with 100%. Okay. Now, is there any number to cancel? No. It divides in 3 table. It does not divide in 3 table and this also does not divide. So, multiply the numerators. 4 into 100 is 400 by 9. See here, 9 table 40 how many times it divides? 9 fours 36. 9 fours 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. 4 will be here. Again 40. 9 fours 36. Again 4 will remain. 4 by 9%. 44 4 by 9% is the answer. Next one, I question. 16 by 25. 16 by 25. See here children, I am not having sufficient place. That's why I am adjusting here. But while you are copying, you must write neatly one below the other. Okay? Now, write down 16 by 25 as it is. Multiply by 100%. 100%. 25 ones, 25 fours. 16 fours, 64% is the answer. See here, no change in the question. Same question. All we are doing in the same method only. That means, if you want to convert into percentage, you need to multiply with 100% only. Every question is like that. Numbers may change. It may be a decimal, it may be a fraction, whatever it may be, improper fraction, mixed fraction, whatever it may be. You need to multiply with 100%. You will get the answer. I hope you understood well. If you want any other question, you please comment in the comment box. I will explain that question. Thank you.